Hello and welcome to the Distance Learning Institute Blackboard Training Video Series. Today we will be showing you how to create a hyperlink in Blackboard. Hyperlinks are important because they're an easy way for you to provide additional content to your students that's located outside of Blackboard on the web. In order to create a hyperlink, what you'll want to do is open a separate tab with the link that you desire your students to go to. In the URL section, go ahead and click in there and copy that URL address. You will then return to your Blackboard page and you will scroll down to the area that you would like to insert your hyperlink in. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and insert mine in the Readings Multimedia tab. Right next to the tab, you'll notice a drop-down menu. You would click on there and you would click Edit. When you do that, it's going to open up the editor, and you already see that there is one link that I already had inserted before. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and type in library because that's where I want my students to go. Once you type the text in, you'll want to highlight it, go to the toolbar located right above, and you'll hover over and you'll notice the one tool that says Insert Edit Link. You'll click on there. In the link path, you'll go ahead and paste the URL from the website you want them to visit. Very importantly, when you scroll down, you'll have some options. You'll want them to open in a brand new window. You could open in the parent window that you're currently in, or open in top frame. This replaces all frames. For this example, I'd like to use open in new window, and then I would hit insert. You'll notice that your text just turned blue, meaning that the URL has been hyperlinked now. You'll scroll down and you will click submit. Once you do that, you will see that your text has been hyperlinked in blue text and it's underlined. You go ahead and click on it to check it, and it takes us to our library link that I desired my students to go to. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to see other helpful videos about Blackboard and online learning.